It's another cold morning. We're just northwest of Phoenix. We stayed overnight at a truck stop. We're getting the coffee made this morning, getting ready to hit the road. We're gonna go check out some BLM land on the way to Lake Havasu. Got everything put away. We got Kixie in her carrier back here to keep her safe and keep her from getting car sick. So let's hit the road. It's a really pretty drive through here, but it's very windy today. We're going on Interstate 10 and traffic is pretty bad. Everybody's in a hurry, plus it's windy, so it's kind of making it rough driving today. We made it to the BLM. It's a little windy out here, so hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. But it's a really cool view. Nice and quiet out here. Should be really good for just one night. We're here at the BLM spot. You can kind of see the RV behind us there in the sun. Oh, we lost it in the bush. We're gonna go down this road and towards the hills and mountains and see what we can find. Explore a little bit before the sun goes down. We had a wonderful night stay at the BLM. It was very quiet and peaceful. We're back on the road, headed to Lake Havasu. We just passed through Parker, Arizona on our way to Lake Havasu. And it's a beautiful drive on this Riverside Drive. Lots of pretty scenery. We're pulling into Lake Havasu City. About to go check into our park, get settled in, and go do some exploring. We made it to the London Bridge. Going down to check out all the shops underneath. In 1968, city founder and entrepreneur Robert P. McCulloch purchased the London Bridge for $2,460,000. Each block was meticulously numbered before the bridge was disassembled. The blocks were shipped overseas through the Panama Canal to California and trucked from Long Beach to Arizona. The bridge was not reconstructed over a river, but rather it was rebuilt on land in a position between the main part of the city and Pittsburgh Point, at that time a peninsula jutting into Lake Havasu. Once completed, the Bridgewater Channel Canal was dredged under the bridge and flooded, separating Pittsburgh Point from the city, creating an island. The reconstruction took slightly over 3 years and was completed in late 1971. Since then, it has been a consistent favorite among Arizona attractions, drawing visitors from around the world. overcast day today here in Lake Havasu City. We are going to California.
Woohoo!
But we're not taking the RV. We're not taking the car. We're going to take a ferry ride across the Colorado River and go into California and just explore a little bit and see what we can find. Have you ever been to California?
Never. I've never been outside of Texas, to be honest with you. Up until now.
So we're aboard the ferry. We're gonna sit up top and brave the cold. Yeah, we thought there'd be more over on this side of the river, but I guess for this ferry ride there's only a casino and a restaurant, a little grocery store and some gas station on the lake, and some houses, and that's about it. So there's not a whole lot to do over here. So we're gonna go inside and try to find some food in the restaurant, stay warm, and then we'll head back over to the other side. Well, we made it back from our ferry ride to California. Now it's time to take care of a little battery problem on the RV. Our chassis battery is over 6 years old, and I knew at some point we'd have to replace it, but I was trying to get as much out of it as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that now.